If you want to maintain your privacy while using Chime, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 dots. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu where you can adjust your preferences. Step 3. Find Privacy Options. Scroll through the Settings menu until you find the Privacy Options. This section will contain various settings related to your online presence. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the Privacy Options, locate the setting for online status visibility. Toggle the option to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button or confirmation prompt to ensure your settings are updated. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Chime, allowing you to use the app with greater privacy.